Hello everyone, welcome to my training course Get Oracle Flying in AWS Cloud. This is lecture 1, course introduction. My name is Dave and I am going to be your instructor for this course. I am an Oracle certified master and an Amazon certified solutions architect with 14 years of experience in working with various industries. In the recent past, I have been working extensively in sustaining Oracle databases on Amazon Web Services, and that's what has prompted me to create this course. The objective of this course is to provide the course audience tools and knowledge to deploy and support Oracle databases in AWS environment. Apart from imparting technical know-how of Oracle deployment in AWS world, this course will also provide you hands-on experience of deploying Oracle in AWS cloud. After finishing this course, you will be much more familiar with what is a cloud and who are the major cloud providers. You will have a better understanding on how Oracle licensing work in AWS cloud. You will have hands-on experience on how to install, configure and maintain Oracle Database 12c running in AWS cloud. You will be much more aware of different HA options provided by AWS like multiple availability zone deployment. You will feel comfortable designing backup and restore strategy of an Oracle Database 12c using Amazon Simple Storage Service and Amazon Glacier. You will be able to tune Oracle Database 12c running in AWS Cloud. This course is mainly designed for the people who needs to support Oracle database running in AWS environment like Linux administrators or an Oracle database administrators. However, this course will benefit anyone who wants to get their hands on deploying Oracle in AWS environment. In order to follow the exercises which I will be showing you throughout the course, you need to have a PC or a Mac with a working internet connection. You will also need to have an account with Amazon Web Services. You can visit aws.amazon.com to create a free account with Amazon Web Services. So let's get started.